Are you interested in becoming an expert PL/SQL developer? Then this ultimate tutorial is for you. Whether you're a novice or have some experience, we'll guide you through mastering PL/SQL step by step. In this tutorial, we'll cover all the essentials of PL/SQL programming, starting from the basics. You'll learn how to write efficient code, create and manipulate tables, write stored procedures and functions, handle exceptions, and much more. We'll walk you through creating a PL/SQL block, using variables, loops, and conditional statements to control your code flow. You'll gain a solid understanding of the PL/SQL syntax and best practices. We'll also delve into more advanced topics, such as cursors, triggers, and packages. You'll discover how to retrieve data from the database, update it, and perform complex operations using PL/SQL. Our interactive examples and exercises will help solidify your knowledge and enhance your skills. You'll find the code provided along with the video so you can practice along with us. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence and expertise to develop robust and efficient PL/SQL applications. So join us on this journey from being a novice to becoming an expert PL/SQL developer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials.